Tor Browser. Tor Browser is one of the most well-known anonymous browsers in the world. It routes internet traffic through multiple encrypted servers, called nodes, making it difficult to trace a user's location or identity. Originally developed with support from research connected to the US government, Tor later became widely used by journalists, activists, researchers, and privacy-focused users. It also became strongly associated with the dark web because it allows access to hidden websites ending in .onion. Brave Browser. Brave Browser is a privacy-focused browser designed to block ads, trackers, and invasive scripts automatically. Unlike many traditional browsers, it emphasizes user privacy without requiring complicated setup. Brave also includes a private browsing mode connected to the Tor network for additional anonymity. Its focus on speed, security, and reduced tracking helped it become popular among users concerned about online privacy. Epic Privacy Browser. Epic Privacy Browser is built specifically to minimize tracking and data collection. It blocks ads, tracking scripts, fingerprinting techniques, and many forms of background monitoring by default. The browser also removes browsing history automatically after sessions end. While it looks similar to traditional browsers, its main goal is to reduce the amount of personal information websites and advertisers can collect. LibreWolf. LibreWolf is a modified version of Firefox focused heavily on privacy and security. It removes telemetry, tracking systems, and unnecessary connections that exist in standard Firefox builds. The browser is open source and maintained by a privacy-focused community rather than a large corporation. Users who want strong customization and fewer background data requests often prefer LibreWolf over mainstream browsers. Waterfox. Waterfox is another browser based on Firefox, but designed with greater user control and privacy in mind. It supports older extensions and avoids some of the data collection practices found in more commercial browsers. Over time, it became popular among users who wanted a familiar browsing experience while maintaining more independence from large technology companies. Its balance between usability and privacy helped it build a dedicated community. GNU IceCat. GNU IceCat is a free software browser developed as part of the GNU project. It is based on Firefox, but includes additional privacy protections and only uses fully open-source components. The browser blocks trackers and warns users about privacy risks online. It became especially important among people who strongly support open-source software and digital freedom principles. Pale Moon. Pale Moon is an independent browser focused on customization, efficiency, and reduced dependence on modern browser ecosystems. While it is not built specifically for anonymity, many users value it for the control it gives over browser behavior and extensions. Its developers chose to maintain a separate direction rather than following rapid changes made by larger browser companies. This created a smaller but loyal privacy-focused user base. DuckDuckGo Browser. DuckDuckGo Browser is designed around private browsing and reduced online tracking. Developed by the company behind the DuckDuckGo's search engine, it blocks hidden trackers and simplifies privacy controls for everyday users. Unlike more advanced anonymity tools, it focuses on making privacy accessible without technical knowledge. Its clean interface and simple design made it appealing to users looking for straightforward online protection. Tails Browser. Tails Browser is part of the Tails operating system, a privacy-focused system that routes internet traffic through Tor automatically. The browser is designed to leave as little trace as possible on the device being used. Tails became widely known among journalists, whistleblowers, and activists because it can run from a USB drive and helps protect anonymity even on shared computers. Its strong focus on security made it one of the most respected privacy tools online. Iridium Browser. Iridium Browser is based on Chromium but modified to improve privacy and security. Many background connections and tracking-related features found in Chromium are removed or disabled. The browser keeps a familiar appearance while reducing communication with external services. This makes it attractive to users who want the speed and compatibility of Chromium without as much built-in data collection. Comodo Dragon. Comodo Dragon is a Chromium-based browser developed with additional security and privacy features. It focuses heavily on secure browsing, certificate validation, and protection against malicious websites. While it functions similarly to Google Chrome in appearance, it removes or limits certain tracking features connected to Google services. Users often choose it for extra security protections while keeping a familiar browsing layout. SRWare Iron. SRWare Iron is another Chromium-based browser designed to reduce privacy concerns linked to Google Chrome. It removes various tracking mechanisms, usage statistics, and background data collection systems. The goal is to offer a browsing experience similar to Chrome while minimizing communication with external servers. Because of this, it became popular among users looking for a more privacy-conscious alternative to mainstream Chromium browsers.